Every home cook cooks with fresh herbs, and we want to make sure when we buy them, we keep them for as long as possible. That's why we're going to use the Herb Saver Eco. It's a simple kitchen tool. We're going to take our fresh cilantro and we're going to put it inside of our tray, and we're going to click it nice and tight. We're going to add it right to the bottom of the basin of the Herb Saver Eco, and we're going to fill the basin up with water. The plug on it is attached. Makes for easy handling. We're going to fill this up with water. It's going to keep our cilantro fresh and green for weeks. This is the Herb Saver Eco.